I'm Til Kumari Sharma and my poem is about rain. The title is Raining as My Company. Raining is bosom friend, it makes me happy and faithful. Raining is essential to life that teaches the alienated struggle of life. Raining is faithful and it has destiny. Raining is faithful company with alienated tears. Raining is come with my shining tears. The day is beautiful with a little bit light and raining. Raining is engaged with cloud. It has with memory and sound. Raining is engaged with cloud. It has with memory and sound.